Hello and welcome to our discussion on cost and management accounting. We'll continue with the exercises on break-even point and break-even sales related issues. In the process, we try to understand the relationship between the sales, variable cost, fixed cost, contribution and profit. So in this case, the margin of safety is given as 100,000. Break-even sales is 100,000, fixed cost is 50,000. So we have to find profit. So margin of safety is excess of sales over the break-even sales. And we know that at the break-even point, the contribution is equal to the fixed cost. So when the sales is equal to 100,000, the contribution is 15,000, and which is equal to the fixed cost. So therefore, contribution at break-even sales is 50,000, and this contribution is sufficient to meet the fixed cost. So therefore, there is no profit and no loss. So when the break-even sales is 100,000 and contribution is 50,000, contribution to sales ratio is 50%, which is 50,000 divided by break-even sales. And with this break-even, so actual sales is equal to the break-even sales plus margin of safety, where the margin of safety is the excess of sales over the break-even sales. So actual sales is equal to the break-even sales plus margin of safety. So therefore actual sales in this case is 200,000, and so contribution when the actual sales is 200 is 100,000. Actual sales into contribution to sales ratio will give me contribution, and contribution minus the fixed cost is profit. Profit is equal to contribution minus fixed cost. So contribution is 100,000 and fixed cost is 50,000, so profit is equal to 50,000. But we can also find profit in an alternative approach, where we say that contribution from the break-even point is equal to fixed cost. Contribution at the break-even point is fixed cost. Contribution from the margin of safety is profit. So profit at the level of the margin of safety is 50% of the margin of safety. So the entire contribution is profit. So we can find profit either by finding contribution minus fixed cost, or we can find profit is equal to contribution to sales ratio into the margin of safety. It's important to know that contribution from break-even sales is fixed cost. Contribution from the sales when there is a profit is fixed cost plus profit, and contribution from margin of safety is equal to profit. So either way, it is possible to determine or find profit. Thank you very much.